Hello and welcome to our weekly news highlights. Here are the top stories you can't miss this week. First up, a significant leap for Indian agriculture. The recently signed India-UK Free Trade Agreement is set to revolutionize the sector, allowing over 95% of Indian farm and processed food goods to enter the United Kingdom with zero import duty. This landmark agreement is expected to significantly boost India's agri-exports with key products like shrimp, marine products, grapes, rice-based ready-to-eat foods, mangoes and various spices gaining duty-free access. Union Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal emphasized the government's commitment to expanding markets for Indian farmers while protecting sensitive domestic sectors like dairy, poultry, apple and wheat, which have been kept out of tariff concessions. This move is seen as a major step towards Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of reaching $100 billion in agri-exports by 2030. Next, a powerful stride in global mobility for Indian citizens. The Indian passport has climbed to the 77th position in the Henley Passport Index 2025. A notable improvement from its 90th rank in 2021. This consistent ascent signifies growing international recognition and diplomatic achievements. For Indian travelers, this translates into practical benefits. 59 countries now offer visa-free or visa-on-arrival access, eliminating the need for lengthy and expensive prior visa applications. This era of streamlined travel marks a new chapter of opportunity and convenience for Indian passport holders. In a groundbreaking innovation in the fight against plastic pollution, scientists in Mexico have successfully developed a biodegradable plastic from the juice of the prickly pear or nopal cactus. Unlike conventional plastics derived from petroleum, this cactus plastic is entirely plant-based, non-toxic and breaks down naturally within days in water and less than a month in soil. This innovative material offers a truly carbon-neutral solution for single-use products, marking a significant step towards a more sustainable future. Moving to an exciting development in tourism and economic growth, the Uttar Pradesh International Trade Show 2025 is set to take place from September 25 to 29 in Greater Noida. This 5-day mega event, aligned with Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's vision, aims to establish Uttar Pradesh as a global tourism hub. The event will feature digital tourism tools like mobile applications and AR-based selfie panels, along with live cultural performances of traditional dances like Mayur Nritya and Kathak, contributing to its ambitious $1 trillion economy target. Finally, in a remarkable initiative for rural education, the Adani Foundation is transforming government schools in Gopalpur, Odisha. What was once known for fishing communities is now becoming a hub for education. The foundation has provided special education kits, including school bags and study materials, to over 2,700 students across 24 schools, fostering dignity and enthusiasm for learning. They've also brought digital education to rural Odisha by equipping 75-inch interactive panels, making learning engaging through videos and animations. These comprehensive efforts are bringing new opportunities to coastal villages. That's all for this week. Stay tuned for more stories highlighting progress and development from across India.